Have you ever wondered what happens when you eat 2 tablespoons of olive oil every day after turning 50? You might be surprised by the transformative effects it can have on your health, from boosting heart health to enhancing brain function, and even improving your skin. Olive oil is more than just a kitchen staple. It's a game changer for your health. In this video, we'll dive into these amazing benefits and also cover who should be cautious about using olive oil. Curious to learn more? Stay with us until the end to discover how this simple addition to your diet can make a significant difference in your life after 50. Enhances digestion. Let's dive into one of the profound benefits of incorporating olive oil into your daily routine, my friend. Enhancing digestion. Olive oil is truly remarkable when it comes to stimulating the digestive tract. It aids in smoother digestion by ensuring that everything moves along as it should. This not only helps prevent constipation, but also promotes better nutrient absorption, which is crucial for overall health, especially as we age. Another wonderful aspect of olive oil is its ability to maintain the health of the stomach and intestinal lining. By keeping these linings in good condition, olive oil reduces the risk of ulcers and other gastrointestinal issues. This means fewer stomach aches and a more comfortable digestive experience. Incorporating just 2 tablespoons of olive oil into your daily diet can make a significant difference in your digestive health. Whether you drizzle it over your salad, mix it into your cooking, or take it straight, your digestive system will thank you for this simple yet powerful addition to your diet. Improves pancreatic health. Let's turn our attention to another remarkable benefit of olive oil: its role in improving pancreatic health. This is particularly important for older adults who may be more susceptible to pancreatic issues. Olive oil helps regulate the production of pancreatic enzymes, which are crucial for breaking down fats, proteins, and carbohydrates. By ensuring these enzymes are produced in optimal amounts, olive oil aids in digestion and helps keep the pancreas functioning smoothly. Another fantastic benefit is its ability to reduce inflammation in the pancreas. Chronic inflammation can lead to conditions like pancreatitis, which can be quite painful and debilitating. Olive oil's anti-inflammatory properties help prevent this, ensuring that your pancreas remains healthy and free from unnecessary stress. Moreover, olive oil is rich in antioxidants that provide a protective shield for pancreatic cells. These antioxidants reduce the risk of pancreatic cancer by neutralizing harmful free radicals and supporting overall cell health. Incorporating olive oil into your diet, especially as you age, can provide significant benefits for your pancreatic health. Just a couple of tablespoons a day can make a world of difference in maintaining a healthy pancreas and supporting your digestive system. Lowers blood pressure. Now let's talk about another incredible benefit of olive oil: its ability to lower blood pressure, a key concern as we get older. The secret lies in oleic acid, a monounsaturated fat found abundantly in olive oil. This compound helps to reduce the constriction of blood vessels, allowing blood to flow more freely. When your blood vessels are relaxed, the pressure exerted on their walls decreases, leading to lower blood pressure. But that's not all, my friend. Olive oil is also rich in polyphenols, powerful antioxidants that improve arterial health. These compounds help balance nitric oxide levels in the body, a crucial molecule that aids in the dilation of blood vessels. By enhancing this balance, polyphenols ensure that your arteries remain flexible and healthy. Regular consumption of olive oil is a natural and effective strategy to support cardiovascular health. It lowers the risks associated with hypertension, making it an essential addition to your diet. So just a couple of tablespoons of this golden elixir every day can help keep your heart in top shape and your blood pressure in check. Boosts brain health. Let's explore one of the most compelling benefits of olive oil, especially as we age: its ability to boost brain health. Olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fats, which are essential for maintaining the integrity of brain cell membranes. These fats ensure that brain cells remain healthy and function optimally, which is crucial for cognitive health. Incorporating olive oil into your daily routine can significantly enhance cognitive function, memory, and learning. The healthy fats in olive oil support the brain's communication pathways, making it easier for neurons to transmit signals efficiently. This leads to sharper thinking, better memory retention, and improved learning capabilities. But there's more, my friend. Olive oil is packed with powerful antioxidants that help mitigate oxidative stress in the brain. Oxidative stress is a major contributor to neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. By neutralizing harmful free radicals, these antioxidants reduce the risk of such diseases, ensuring your brain remains healthy and vibrant. Regular consumption of olive oil is a simple yet effective way to support brain health. Just 2 tablespoons a day can provide these incredible benefits, helping you stay mentally sharp and protect against age-related cognitive decline. Enhances metabolism. Another impressive benefit of olive oil is its ability to enhance metabolism, which is vital for overall health and vitality, especially as we get older. Olive oil contains monounsaturated fats, particularly oleic acid, which are known to boost the metabolic rate. A higher metabolic rate means your body can convert food into energy more efficiently, aiding in better weight management and ensuring you have the energy to get through your day. Additionally, these healthy fats improve insulin sensitivity. Enhanced insulin sensitivity helps your body use glucose more effectively, which is essential for stabilizing blood sugar levels. This can be particularly beneficial for those managing or at risk of diabetes. Regular consumption of olive oil not only helps in maintaining energy levels, but also plays a significant role in weight management. By incorporating 2 tablespoons of olive oil into your daily diet, you can support a healthier metabolism, keep your blood sugar levels stable, and manage your weight more effectively. Supports bone health. As we age, maintaining strong bones becomes increasingly important, and olive oil can play a significant role in this. Olive oil is packed with polyphenols, which are essential for enhancing bone density and stimulating the growth of bone cells. This process helps fortify bones, making them stronger and less prone to fractures. One of the standout benefits of olive oil is its ability to improve calcium absorption. Calcium is crucial for bone health, and by improving its absorption, olive oil ensures that your body can make the most of this vital mineral. This is key to maintaining robust and healthy bones. Moreover, olive oil helps reduce oxidative stress, which is a major contributor to bone weakening and osteoporosis. The antioxidants in olive oil protect bone tissue from oxidative damage, helping to keep bones strong and resilient. Incorporating just 2 tablespoons of olive oil into your daily diet can make a significant difference in supporting bone health. It's a simple addition that can lead to stronger, healthier bones as you age. Antibacterial properties. Who knew that olive oil could be a secret weapon against bacteria? It's true. Olive oil is not just for cooking. It's also packed with powerful phenolic compounds that have potent antibacterial effects. These phenolic compounds are highly effective against bacteria that can cause stomach and respiratory infections. So while you're enjoying that delicious Mediterranean dish, you're also giving your body a natural defense boost. But the benefits don't stop there. Olive oil supports a healthy gut microbiome, which is crucial for overall well-being. A healthy gut means better digestion, improved immune function, and even a happier mood. It's like having a little army of good guys in your stomach, all thanks to a couple of tablespoons of olive oil each day. Incorporating olive oil into your diet not only adds flavor to your meals, but also keeps harmful bacteria at bay, ensuring you stay healthy and feel great. Reduces gallstone formation. Did you know that olive oil can help keep gallstones at bay? This golden elixir is excellent for promoting bile flow, which is essential for the digestion of fats. By ensuring a steady flow of bile, olive oil helps prevent the concentration and stagnation of bile that can lead to gallstone formation. It's like giving your gallbladder a little workout, keeping everything moving smoothly and efficiently. Olive oil also works wonders in lowering cholesterol levels within the bile. High cholesterol in bile can lead to the formation of gallstones, so by reducing these levels, olive oil reduces the risk of gallstones forming in the first place. Incorporating 2 tablespoons of olive oil into your daily routine can make a significant difference in maintaining a healthy gallbladder and preventing those painful stones. It's a simple and natural way to keep your digestive system in check. Good for gut health. Let's talk about how olive oil can be a game changer for your gut health. Olive oil does an amazing job of nourishing the beneficial bacteria in your gut. These good bacteria are essential for keeping your digestive system running smoothly. Think of it as giving your gut the premium fuel it needs to function at its best. Additionally, olive oil strengthens the intestinal barrier. This is crucial because a strong barrier protects your gut from harmful invaders and ensures that nutrients are absorbed properly. It's like adding an extra layer of security to your digestive system. Olive oil's anti-inflammatory properties also help soothe the gut, reducing irritation and promoting a healthier digestive environment. This can prevent common digestive disorders, ensuring your gut stays happy and healthy. By including 2 tablespoons of olive oil in your daily diet, you're not just adding flavor to your meals. You're giving your gut the support it needs to stay healthy and resilient. Boosts immune system. Let's dive into how olive oil can give your immune system the support it needs. Packed with antioxidants and healthy fats, olive oil is a nutritional powerhouse. These antioxidants work to neutralize harmful free radicals that can damage cells and undermine your immune system. By including olive oil in your diet, you're giving your body the tools it needs to fight off illness more effectively. Olive oil also enhances the body's defense mechanisms. It helps strengthen your immune response, making you more resilient to infections and diseases. Think of it as fortifying your body's natural defenses, keeping you healthier and more robust. Moreover, olive oil's anti-inflammatory properties are crucial in reducing inflammation, a common underlying factor in many chronic diseases. By managing inflammation, olive oil not only supports your immune system, but also helps prevent conditions like heart disease, diabetes, and arthritis. To harness these benefits, simply incorporate olive oil into your meals regularly. Whether you use it in salad dressings, for cooking, or even drizzled over vegetables, it's an easy and delicious way to boost your immune system and safeguard your health. Improves skin and hair health. Olive oil is a fantastic hydrator for the skin. It provides a protective barrier that locks in moisture, keeping your skin supple and smooth. Imagine waking up with skin that feels like it's had a luxurious spa treatment overnight, all thanks to a simple application of olive oil. In addition to its hydrating properties, olive oil is excellent at reducing the signs of aging. It improves skin elasticity, making your skin look firmer and more youthful. Think of it as nature's own anti-aging serum. Regular use can help diminish fine lines and wrinkles, giving your skin that much-desired glow. And let's not forget about hair care. Olive oil nourishes your hair deeply, reducing dryness and promoting a natural shine. Whether you're dealing with split ends or lackluster locks, a little olive oil can work wonders. Just massage a few drops into your scalp and hair, leave it in for a bit, and then rinse it out. You'll be amazed at how soft and shiny your hair can become. For those who are enjoying their golden years, these benefits are particularly valuable. Keeping your skin hydrated and reducing signs of aging can boost your confidence, and healthy, shiny hair can make you feel vibrant and youthful. Plus, using olive oil is a natural, chemical-free way to take care of your skin and hair, making it perfect for anyone who wants to avoid harsh products. So, whether you're adding olive oil to your skincare routine or using it as a hair treatment, you're in for a treat. It's a simple, enjoyable way to enhance your natural beauty and feel great about yourself. Recommended dosage and how to use. Now that we've explored the myriad benefits of olive oil, let's talk about how to incorporate it into your daily routine for maximum impact. The optimal amount of olive oil for reaping its health benefits is about 2 tablespoons daily. This quantity is sufficient to provide you with all the wonderful nutrients and protective compounds olive oil has to offer without overwhelming your system. Incorporating olive oil into your diet is both easy and delicious. Here are a few tips. Meals. Drizzle olive oil over your salads and vegetables. It adds a delightful flavor and ensures you're getting your daily dose effortlessly. Dressings. Use olive oil as a base for homemade salad dressings. Mix it with balsamic vinegar, lemon juice, or herbs for a tasty and healthy dressing. Cooking. Olive oil is perfect for sautéing and roasting. Use it instead of butter or other oils to cook your favorite dishes. Not only does it add a rich taste, but it also enhances the nutritional profile of your meals. Direct consumption. If you're a purist, you can consume olive oil directly. Taking a tablespoon in the morning and another in the evening can be a simple way to integrate it into your routine. Just make sure to choose high-quality extra virgin olive oil for the best results. Integrating olive oil into your diet doesn't have to be a chore. It can be a delightful experience that enhances the flavor of your food while delivering significant health benefits. So, enjoy experimenting with different ways to include this golden elixir in your meals and watch as it transforms your health and well-being. Who should be cautious? While olive oil is packed with numerous health benefits, it's important to recognize that it may not be suitable for everyone. Certain individuals should exercise caution and consult with healthcare professionals before making it a regular part of their diet. Gallbladder disease. Olive oil stimulates bile production, which can be beneficial for digestion but may exacerbate symptoms in individuals with gallbladder disease. If you have gallbladder issues, it's best to discuss olive oil consumption with your doctor. Irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. For those with IBS, the high-fat content in olive oil might trigger symptoms such as bloating or discomfort. It's advisable to introduce olive oil gradually into your diet and monitor how your body responds. Diarrhea. Due to its mild laxative effect, olive oil might worsen diarrhea. If you're prone to or currently experiencing diarrhea, you should be cautious with the amount of olive oil you consume. Acid reflux. Olive oil can relax the lower esophageal sphincter, potentially increasing the risk of acid reflux. If you suffer from acid reflux or GERD, it's important to consult your healthcare provider to see if olive oil is appropriate for you. Anticoagulant medication. Olive oil has natural blood-thinning properties, which can interfere with anticoagulant medications like warfarin. If you're on such medications, consult your doctor to avoid any adverse interactions. For those at high risk of heart disease, tailored advice is essential. While olive oil can support cardiovascular health, it's crucial to balance it within a diet that suits your specific health needs. Always seek personalized advice from healthcare professionals to ensure that your diet is aligned with your health goals and conditions. By being mindful of these considerations and seeking professional advice when necessary, you can safely enjoy the benefits of olive oil while managing any potential risks. If you found this video informative, give it a like and share it with your friends.